Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. How are you feeling today?
Happy.
That's good. Okay, I want to say thank you for coming to this class again, and nice to see you all. Today's course outline is about the repetition. But before we learn about the repetition, I want to review a bit about last week's session. Last week we already learned about input and output. So guys, help me out. If I want to do the input in C programming language, which function should I use? Scanf. And for the output is printf. Great. So now we're gonna learn about repetition. Basically, there are three types of repetition in C programming language. First is for loop. Second is while, and the third one is do while. So the basic differences between these three repetition is for needs three expression. First, it has to be initialization of a variable or more than one. And the second is the condition, so the looping is still go. Condition. And the third one is for updating the variable. We could use increment or decrement. And for the while loop is you check the condition first before doing the statement. You check first, then do the statement. And the do while is at least you do the loop once. Yeah? You check the condition, like the second loop while. So until now, is there any question? No. No? Okay, let's go to the code. We still use the same program like last week. So we're gonna use Visual Studio on the programs, programming, Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express, and select the C++. And for today's session, I'm gonna be the assistant, and Faustina will be the co-assistant. Okay, now click New Project. Select Empty Project. And this is the second day we met. So I'm gonna type day 2. Now click at the source files and Solution Explorer. Right click, select the app and new item. Now select the C++ file, the ETP, and rename it whatever you guys want to rename it. I'm gonna say D2 again. Alright, are you guys following me until now? Are you guys following me until now?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes, madam.
Okay, now like last week, we need to include a library to be able to use the scanf and printf. So I'm gonna type hash include, and inside the angled brackets is the library. So we're gonna use stdio.h library for standard input output. Okay, now you type the main function. I'm gonna use void main. And don't forget to add the getChar function at the end of the main function, so you can see the output at the console. Alright, now I'm gonna explain about the do while loop. So the basic type is do. It indicates the you want to do the do while loop, and the braces type while, then brackets, and semicolon to enter and to end this statement. So as I said before, the while is for checking the condition. So inside this while, you need to enter an expression to indicate that the loop is still go or it needs to be stopped. So let's say I want to print asterisk 5 times. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna write print f, and inside the parenthesis, I'm gonna print the asterisk. Now, if I want to do the loop, I need some variable to know that it needs to be counted. So the value is gonna be more than 1. I'm gonna type integer counter and its value be 0, and at the condition the counter less than 5. And inside the loop, I need to make the variable to be updated. So I'm gonna type counter plus plus. So each time after I print asterisk at the console, the value will increase by 1. Until now, everyone following me?
Yes.
Yes. And press F5 to compile. See, is anyone has the same output with me? Yes?
Yes.
Rosina, please. So that's all about the material today. I'm going to review it a bit. So today we have already learned about the repetition, especially for the do while loop. Remember that the do while loop is do a loop minimum of once, and that it checks the condition with the while condition. Okay, so that's all for the material today, and see you next week. And don't forget to read the material before you enter the class for next week. Thank you.